go to the beach. Let's go get away. Hey y'all. Okay, so we made it to the airport. Everybody's here except Stephanie Pooh, who's on the phone. Stephanie. Hey, this is Stephanie. Sweet. Callie Pooh. Hi. Ari Pooh. This is Sid and Jess. And we just here getting drinks. Yeah. Waiting for our flight because it got delayed. Oh, Lord. Let me start. Are we blocking stuff? I can't. Hold on. Let me not. I have a good angle here.
Okay, I'm gonna just try it.
Right, wait, start in the middle, y'all.
Okay. Y'all ready? All right. 1, 2, 3.
My move so slow.
Was it good?
Y'all moving.
I did not like this angle. Okay, so we made it onto the plane. We were able to get next to each other. I got my pot belly sandwich. And now we're going to sleep.
We gotta be in Miami.
We're gonna be in Miami when we wake up. Bye. We in Miami turning up another night.
Access denied.
Hold on.
Welcome to
All right, y'all. So it's the next day. Good morning, or what's it, afternoon? Afternoon. But we have reservations at Bacon Bleep, and we're supposed to be going there at 1:45. It takes 30 minutes to get there. What time is it? 1:15. Oh, we're about to get the day started and go to the beach. Bye. All right, y'all. So we're in the Uber on the way to Bacon Beach. Bacon Beach. And we are gonna make it on time, basically. So yeah, we were rushing, but
look at us, and we cute.
We cute.
And we cute.
Yeah. I didn't even really tell y'all what we did last night. Last night we got in late because our flight kept getting delayed. Most of us got it there at like, what was it, 12:40 something, 1 o'clock after we got our bags, and we just chilled at the Airbnb, you know, and then we went to this food truck and just ate food and watched Netflix for a second. What was the show? The Pop the Balloon show?
Oh yeah.
That show was
so bad.
terrible.
Sorry.
That show was so bad. Oh my god, never watching that again. And then today, like I said, we're going to Bacon Bee, and then we're going to South Beach, and we'll see what happens next. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say.
Have a drink.
Clink. Okay, so we just got to the beach. We're at South Beach right now. We left Bacon Bleep, and now we're gonna just chill on the beach for a few hours until we have to get ready for dinner at Oro at 9 p.m. All right, y'all. So we're getting. Is it Brown in the room with us?
You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh?
This is not brown. This is not tan. Khaki.
No. It is brown. It's a
It
shade.
is brown.
So the options.
I'm not putting on anything else, so it doesn't matter. I'm not putting on anything else, so it doesn't matter.
All right, y'all. So we're getting ready for dinner. We're doing matching brown outfits, and we're going to Oro, which is like a new restaurant here. We're doing our makeup and stuff. We're supposed to be ready at 8 o'clock because our reservations for 9. We just want to be early, but it's not looking like it. So we'll see.
Welcome, ladies.
Damn, little lady. You sure can't put it away.
Yay! You guys so much. Stephanie dropping that damn plate. Damn. She's so good.
Yeah, Miami turning up.
We only on floor 6.
I'm about to piss in this elevator.
No, you're not. We're here. Look, I got the key ready.
Please,
On
no.
go.
Everybody, we move, bitch.
Move, bitch.
Alright, like.
Get out the way.
Alright, y'all.
I'm cutting this shit off.
Give me the you can. Alright, y'all. So we're back from dinner / the club. We went to dinner at Oro. It was so beautiful. There was a singer, there was a dancer, there was everybody there. And then
We in Miami turning up.
Then we went to Vendome. It was so cute. The music was good. The songs were good. All that. The vibes were good. And yeah.
We in Miami turning up another night.
I don't think they heard you.
We in Miami turning up another night. This bitch sleep.
Wakey, wakey. Oh, she didn't do it. She didn't wakey, wakey. Hey y'all, so I am back. It's Saturday night. We are getting ready to go to a nightclub. Today was really fun. I didn't really get to talk to y'all today because we were rushing to make deadlines and all that stuff. But first thing we did, we woke up, ordered in some food because we weren't feeling like going out, and we got tacos. Well, most of us got tacos. Some of us ate leftovers. And then after that, we had a party boat reservation scheduled for 5 to 8. And it was really fun. Like, we were really having a good time. Like, it was unlimited drinks, unlimited food. It was so pretty on the water. But yeah, after that, we just walked around. Some of us got souvenirs. Should I put this one on? Maybe I should just do this one. Stop. Got my heart already. Just wanna keep you tonight. Come in. Hold on, let me show you guys this. Like, it's this. I don't know what to show when I make the picture. And then this is like this little corset with pants. And I was like,
I
thinking
have
about
pants. I have like an outfit just like
you can flip the camera. Oh.
But
I was gonna wear this black
I think it'd be cute
for
but
tonight or tomorrow.
tomorrow. I mean, I'm wearing a skirt tomorrow. I'm wearing shorts just like these tonight, but in pink.
So hard being a girl.
It is.
Hey, so we're about to go out to the club.
In the club. We all fam.
We all fam. This is Steffi Pooh.
Give us a spin.
Woo! Ari Pooh. Woo! Shaweety Pooh. Jazzy Pooh. What was you hiding? Jazzy Pooh. And then we got Callie Pooh. And then there's
We got Gracie Pooh.
The lift is on the way. It says 5 minutes, so we will see y'all in the next clip. Good morning, y'all. So today is Sunday and it's almost 11:30. We are about to go to Nikki Beach, and it's like a beach club and it has like food and stuff. So we're about to go there, and let me show you what I got on. So today I have on, I'm literally just a girl shirt, and then I have like this metallic like pink bikini under, and then I have these ruffle shorts on. So cute, so cute. And yeah, isn't it so pretty? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But yeah, let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Hey y'all, so we just got back from Nikki Beach, and as y'all can see, it was a vibe. It was so hot. It was so hot, like scorching hot. When I went to take my pictures, my feet were burning in the sand. I was like, oh my God. We got the cabana. It was good to be in the shade. We got a bottle. It was like an unlimited buffet. After that, we went and chilled on the beach for a little bit until we decided to come back. But yeah, I would definitely go back again. And now we're about to get ready to go to dinner at Kiki on the river. So it is now, hey Ari. It is now Tuesday and it's our last day. Today, so we woke up, checkout was at 11, so we left our bags there for a little bit, and then now we're going to get something to eat before our flight. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I just got back from the airport and it's now like around 9 p.m. All in all, the trip was fun. If you want to see more vlogs like this, just make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.